7 powerful exercises to lose belly fat fast at home. In this video you will discover the secret of accelerated fat burning. Ideal for those who don't have time to waste, especially for those who have tried everything to lose abdominal fat, like taking medicine, going on crazy diets to lose weight, or even sympathy. See how to unlock abdominal fat burning in a practical way. Even if you don't have much time, as you lead a busy life, HIIT training is a form of exercise that we perform at high intensity, with a few seconds of rest between one exercise and another. These workouts can be done at home and have the power to speed up your metabolism and make your body burn up to 93% more calories than moderate exercise and still promote lean muscle mass gain. Even when you're resting, your body will be burning calories after just a few minutes of it. So if you really want to lose belly and all excess body fat, forget everything you've learned and start training with us right now. Okay? We prepared an 8-minute workout with 7 of the best exercises to accelerate your fat burning. Get ready. Give your best with each exercise. Follow us in real time and don't stop until the training is over. Okay, then let's go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow